girls handball team from Vihiga County is shaping up for the Term 1 secondary school games and has promised to get the top gong in the games. The school games will be held in Machakos County and believe they will rectify the mistakes they had previously and now ready for the title.
We are featuring more on handball. Why have I picked on handball? I've seen a very dedicated team. Last year we went up to county level and that is where now we stopped. But the coach picked up. From last year May, he's been training. We've had even to go for a tournament. Recently, last weekend we were at Aldai, and in the tournament we came up to the semi-finals.
I love handball because it's a game that helped me have many skills in my life, have a life that I can only lead myself, have a control of it, because the moment you enter into the field, you'll have to pass some information to others that handball is all about skills. You'll get to read more things which you cannot be told in class or be teaching in class. You have to go in field that it doesn't cost anything but your time and your energy.
The students and the parents themselves, more work also in the field, unless if the child is just left without doing, games, sports, they'll misuse their leisure time and become indisciplined. So the sports helps this girl to be disciplined. Because when in sports, the child has to follow the rules of the game.
More than 200 golfers battled in the annual Kenya Education Fund tournament that was held today at